The first thing you want to do is to create a new folder. I like to do it on the desktop. And you're going to want to call it CIS133. So get rid of the untitled folder and type CIS133 and press enter. Okay, now open that folder and we're going to create a folder for each week's assignment by right-clicking, choosing New Folder, and typing Week 1. And do all 8 weeks. When you've got all 8 weeks, then open Chrome and go to your Canvas assignment. We're looking here at Week 1 Coding 1, where it says in the Week 1 folder, create a new file called htmlbasics.html. Where are you going to do that? There are a lot of different places that you could create your code. We're going to use a very easy and powerful tool that you can use online, and it's called vscode.dev. Again, that's vscode.dev. You can get to this from anywhere. It's a powerful HTML and JavaScript editing tool that you can use in this class if you'd like. I highly recommend it. So when we get started, we're going to open our folder, which is on our desktop, CIS133, and right there. And then it will ask you if you want to view your files, which you say yes, and there's all the weeks that you created. So back in our assignment, it says in the Week 1 folder, create a new file called htmlbasics.html. Two different ways of doing that. You click Week 1, and then you can click the New File button, or you can right-click on Week 1 and choose New File. The name of the file that we wanted to create is called htmlbasics.html, and press Enter. And then click the Save Changes button. That will open a blank file for you. One of the benefits of using VS Code is its powerful tools. For example, by pressing the exclamation point and then pressing Tab, you get all this basic boilerplate code that is needed for every HTML document, and then you can just make your changes. For example, we're going to replace the word document with HTML basics. Now once we do that, we have to press Command S to save. And then to open this file for the first time in a browser, we'll have to minimize this browser. Go to our Week 1 folder and right-click HTML Basics and say Open With, and then choose Google Chrome. You'll see it opens a third tab now. There's nothing on the document, but if you look at the tab, it says HTML Basics, which, if we look back on our vscode.dev, that's what we typed. Now watch this. Let's just say you make a small change here, you make a different name, then you press Command S, then you go back to HTML Basics and you find the refresh button. Notice it says HTML Basics now, but after you click the refresh, it says HTML Basic File. And that's because that's what we changed. So here's what it wants you to do. HTML that displays your name with the largest heading element. You haven't learned this yet, but that's called the H1. So what we'll do is we'll come down into the body and we'll type a H1 opening tag. Actually put H3, sorry, it's supposed to be H1. But notice that it puts the closing tag on for you. That's cool. Then you can just click between that opening and closing tag and type your name. That's my alias for this class. Now you press Command S, and then you click the HTML Basics File tab, and you click the refresh button, and there is your name in big bold text. So that's the process. Let's just say, let's see, we want to type the HTML for an unordered list to display the days of the week. Okay, so we'll come back over here, we'll click after that element there, we'll create a new element called an unordered list, or UL. Notice it puts the closing tag on for you. You can create the list item tags, you'll learn about this. We're going to put Monday, and we'll make our list really short and finish it up by typing Grunsday. And then we save, Command S, switch, and refresh. That's how you create your HTML files for this class. Now, to finish it up, to submit your work, you'll click the Submit, then you'll go down and click the Upload button. You'll Go back to your desktop to find the file in the Week 1 folder of CIS133. You'll select that file, and then you'll click the appropriate button, and then you'll submit your assignment. Later, we'll learn how to submit a zipped up or compressed file when you have multiple files to do. But there you go, how to do basic HTML on a Mac.